Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to St. Louis de Kent, a charming village nestled along the Richibucto River in New Brunswick. Founded in 1797 by Joseph Babineau, St. Louis de Kent has long been a center of Acadian culture. It is famously known as the birthplace of the Acadian flag, designed in 1883 by local priest Marcel Francois Richard. A giant version of this flag now flies proudly in the village, honoring its heritage. The village is also home to a replica of the Lourdes Grotto, built in 1878, which remains an important pilgrimage site for many. Nearby, the St. Louis de Kent picnic grounds have been a gathering place for community events since the 1870s, reflecting the strong sense of community here. Nature lovers will appreciate the village's proximity to Richibucto National Park, offering beautiful landscapes and outdoor activities. As you drive through, you'll see the blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that makes St. Louis de Kent a special place.
Thanks for watching!